Hey guys, this is Chet Clark with Cleaners Connection down here in North Little Rock, Arkansas. We got an AMRT class that we're putting on here, man. We're going to do something special for 2020. I'm going to put about 6 classes on, and we're going to have them on our website. We're going to have them on our Facebook to let you know it's going to be on the IICRC. We're going to do another mold class. We're going to do another water class. We're doing a carpet cleaning class, and I'll let you know about the other classes. Just let me know. You can always give me a call down here at 501-258-3779. Guys, how was the mold class? Did everybody enjoy yourself? Did anybody learn anything?
Very
All right,
good.
fantastic.
Very good. Very good.
Yep. Hey guys, listen, I want to tell you something. Like I tell everybody, most people's got me. I've been underneath the house with Chad. I've walked Steve through jobs. I've been on the job with Zach. If you need me to come out and help you with a job and look at a job with you, man, I'm more than glad to do it. You've got my business cards that I put out for everybody. I want you to put me in your phone. You're going to need me in your phone. Today's technology, most of the time you can FaceTime me and I can look at what you got. I got carpet cleaners calling me saying, how do I get this out? You know, how do I do this? I got this mold and that mold. Man, I don't know everything about everything, man, but I do know some stuff about some stuff. And if I can't figure it out, I know the people who own these chemicals that sell us the chemicals or their top sales guys. I got their phone numbers. I can call them directly and get them involved in the job that you're doing and get it taken care of. So put me in your phone and make sure I'm there. I'm in Chad's phone. Like I said, I crawled underneath the house with Chad. He bought a mini, wanted me to show him how to use it, so I climbed up underneath there and got it done. You know, so if you need my help like that, we'll have it. I really, $1,000 is a lot of money, you know, and I really appreciate you guys coming to the class. It's been a very successful class for us. I'm gonna get a Christmas bonus because of you guys. I appreciate it, and my kids appreciate it. I can tell you that. Mark, I sure appreciate you being here. I don't think Mark's going to be back next year, but his wife is. So that's probably going to be better for us. We're going to get her to do a water class. We've already got that booked for the end of February. And then I got her coming for an AMRT class, and Rudy's going to be back for a fire and odor class. And then we got a carpet cleaning class in April 30th and May 1st. And then I'm going to figure out something else. A lot of guys were talking about trauma, right? Who wants trauma class? You know, we got some guys who want some trauma class, so I think we're going to put that on. Okay. And really, guys, what I need you to do for me is friend us on Facebook and let me know what you want and what you need. You know, and I'll see if I can book the class for you. You know, so anybody have any questions for me? 10% on accessories today and 20% on chemicals. That's your discount for taking the class. All right. If you need me to load your truck up, I'll take your keys now. Hey, I really appreciate it, guys. Good luck on the test. Now, if you pay after.